Hi students, yes, it is your 6th standard English grammar textbook. So, in this class, I am going to start the first lesson in the grammar textbook. So, first lesson is that the first lesson is what? Countables and uncountables. First chapter is what? Countables and uncountables. Countables and uncountables. Countables and uncountables. It is our first chapter, is it right? First chapter, countable and uncountable. Countable means you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 for example, this like. Uncountable means we can't count, we can't calculate. Countable ಅಂದರೆ ಎನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಅದ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ pen, is it right? So what kind of thing it is countable or uncountable? Can you count 1 pen, 2 pen? Countable. The sky is there, is it countable? 1 sky, 2 skies, 3 skies. Okay, so books are there, 1 book, 2 book, is it right? Water, what type of noun it is? Water, can you count 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters? ಎನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಆಯಿಲು, ವಾಟರ್, ಶುಗರ್ ಎನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಎನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಎನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So countable and uncountable. Let's see what are the countable nouns and what are the uncountable nouns. Countable nouns ಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಮತ್ತು uncountable nouns ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು? Which noun is countable? How it is countable? Why could call countable? Why couldn't call uncountable? So this thing I am going to discuss in this class. So countable, uncountable. Countable, uncountable. Let's see. Things we can count are called countable nouns. The definition is given in the textbook. If you have a textbook, just go and check that. Things we can, it means we can count the things. We can count the things called countable nouns. Is it right? So, what is first order? Things we can count. Things we can count are called countables. For example, pen, pencil, is it right? Pen, pencil, book, is it right? For example, okay. So these are countable things. Pen you can count 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens. Pencil also countable thing. Easily you can count 1 pen or 1 pencil, 2 pencils, 3 pencils, that like you can count. So books, 1 books, I have 2 books, I have 3 books, that like you can count. So it is a countable noun. Which thing is can count? That is countable noun. Is it right? So let's see. Things we can't count are called What do you call? What do you call them? If you can't count, uncountable noun. Uncountable. Okay. For example, sky. Can you count sky? Milk, butter, oil. See, all these are uncountable now. How you count pen, pencil, book? That like these we can't count. One sky, two skies, three skies. No. Milk, one milk, two milks, three milks are there in the bottle. No, not at all. So butter, one butter, two butters, three butters. No. Oil, one oil, two oil, three oils. No, this highly possible. ಸೊ ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ವಿ. ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಪೆನ್, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್, ಬುಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ, ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕೈ, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಬಟರ್, ಆಯಿಲ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Yes, things. The following sentence sets of words are you generally consider uncountable. The sets are here. Those sets generally consider uncountables. What are the sets? Let's see. Name of substances. Name of substances. Substances means things, nothing more. Substances are ಏನಪ್ಪ? Things. Which are the substances are called uncountable? Which are the things are uncountable? Let's see here. Bread, okay, beer, cloth, coffee, cream, gold, okay, glass, dust. Just go through next. So these are things. These things we can't count. Bread, coffee, tea, cloth, cream, gold, glass, dust. Grains, you take anything. You understand? Can you count these? One bed, two beds, three beds, that like? No, we can't count. Okay, let's see. Second set. So second sets, name of the qualities or actions. Name of qualities or actions. Qualities. For example, goodness, kindness. So that like knowledge, goodness, kindness, okay, play, sleep, play, for example. Knowledge, goodness, kindness, okay, brave, beauty. ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ, wisdom. See, all these are uncountable now. Let's see third set. Special words. These are special words. How these are special words? Look at. What are the special words are given? Check out. Special words. Baggage, furniture, okay, luggage, weather, damage, hair, news, see, all these are special words. So some words are countable or uncountable according to the context which are used. Both chances are there, countable and uncountable. Some words, it means special words. All these special words, however used, depend upon what you are telling according to sentence. So let's see how. Example, her hair is black. See, her hair is black. Now what it is? Countable or uncountable? Her hair is black. Yes, total black. Can you count? Is it countable now? Hair? What? Uncountable now. Uncountable. Let's see how to use A as a countable. I have 2 white hairs. Okay, I have 2 white hairs. Can you count? 1 white, 2 whites, 2 whites. Can you count that like? So I have 2 white hairs. Now it is what? Countable. Now it is what? Countable. Let's see one more example. Yes, glass. This jug is made up of glass. Now glass is water. Now here uncountable. Uncountable, is it right? Now glass is water, uncountable. Let's see how to use the glass as uncountable or countable. Let's see. We drink wine out of glasses. Now countable thing. So both, however you use, depend on your statement. It's totally depend on your statement, especially some special words I am telling you. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರನಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅವು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Uncountable nouns are always usually singular and take a singular verb. See that. Uncountable nouns are usually singular and also singular verb. It takes what? A singular verb. For example, he did not care of my advices. He did not care of my advices. Now it is what? Correct or incorrect? No, wrong. So I will write he did not care of my advice. Now write. Is it right? Advises. No. You have to tell only advice. So here So this furniture, second statement. Furnitures are for sale. Here furnitures, total wrong. How will write it? This furniture is for sale. For sale. This like you can write. Okay. Third one. Waters are. Can you call waters? No. Waters are necessary for life. Wrong is right. So I will write water is necessary for life. Is it right? Now it is right. So this like just we have to use uncountable ones always singular. You will take this singular verb also. So homework exercise is there. The first one, put C. C means countable. Okay, for countables and U for uncountables. So many words are there. So after the words boxes are there. In that box you have to write, if that is countable you have to write only C. If that is an uncountable thing you have to write U. That like you have to solve. Second one, underline the words wrongly used in the following sentence, correct them. So underline the words and you have to correct. You have to correct that. Okay, next. Questions are there. What are the countables? What are the uncountables? Name 5 countables and use them in sentence. Name 5 uncountables, use them in a sentence. Total, this is your homework. Okay. Okay. Homework is what? Complete exercise number 1. Exercise 1. First exercise you have to finish. In the first exercise 3 mails are there. Those mails you have to finish. I hope you understood what is countable, what is uncountable, what type of things are countable and what type of things are uncountable, and some special nouns also you studied. Okay, I hope you understood this one. I will continue this chapter in the next class.